What is programming? Let me explain with an IKEA chair. So when you buy furniture from IKEA, you will be given instructions, something like this. So the instructions actually give you step-by-step instructions on how to build that chair. So these instructions, it's like programming. And programming is essentially just giving instructions to solve a problem, which is to build that chair. And the thing is that programming is everywhere. So let me prove it to you. So for example, when you're going for lunch, you're actually programming your mind on step-by-step instructions on how to solve a problem, which is what to eat. So usually what you'll do is that you actually go through your own instructions. So for example, first step is you have a bunch of choices that you have previously made and you want to choose from that choices, only once. Then after that, you remove the food that you already have ate maybe yesterday because you don't want to eat the same thing the next day or 2 days in a row. So the third step might be you remove the food that you don't feel like eating today. Maybe you don't feel like eating like nasi lemak. And lastly, after eliminating all of the food, you are left with one choice, which is fried chicken, which is always a choice for every single lunch. Yes. And all of us already have this programming mind inside our brain already, or we call it computational thinking. Now you know what programming is, which is just a bunch of instructions to solve a problem. The next thing is to learn all of the different coding concepts or programming concepts that will help you solve problems better. See you in the next video.